Good afternoon, class. Welcome you back, and we'll be continuing with our chapter 3, which we have done half. And till now, we are left with few points. So I'll be explaining you that few points, and we'll be doing the practical also. So let's come to a primary key. We have already discussed about how to create a table, what are the data types, and while creating a table, on which view we have to click. So right now we'll be there to make a primary key. What is a primary key? A primary key is something which is the main thing from which we can search, which cannot be same. For example, we are talking about roll numbers. You all are having roll numbers in your class, and when you all are having roll numbers, somebody is having 22, somebody is having 24. And roll number cannot be similar. Your name can be similar. Someone can have a name Shivam, and other person can also have a name Shivam. But there is something which cannot be similar, is a thing which is roll number. So we set a primary key which is unique and which cannot be different. If you say that, ma'am, our address can be a primary key, no. But if you are, for example, like Rohan and Rishabh, they both are the brothers and they both are living at same place, so their address would be same. So we cannot set a primary key, but again they have a different roll numbers. So primary key is a thing which is unique and there is no duplicacy in it. Okay, so now how to set a primary key? We have to go on design view and set the key as a primary key. See, I'll show you how to set a primary key. Let's revise what we have done. We have to make a blank database, create it. See, our blank database is created. We go on the view, design tab. We'll give the name to our table. Table 1 is okay for us. See, this type of field we have, which we have seen earlier. Now see, inside of view, we are having a primary key button. If you all are able to see this primary key button, raise your hands in the video. Raise your hands in the video. Ansh, Priyansh, Hitansh and Bhavya, make your video visible. I want to see whether you are studying or not. Yes, Janvi, I can see your hand. Bhavya, you are able to understand and raise your hand. Okay. Now, this is the primary key. And to set this primary key, I have to click on this primary button and see. I have set my ID as a primary key. I have set this as my primary key because ID cannot be same. So now I think that you all know how to set a primary key. Auto numbers, we have already studied about the different data types, that we are having different data types. ID can be only a number. I have put that ID can only be a number. Next, my option is name. I want name. And what is my name option can be? My name option can be only text, only written format. Those who are able to see my screen, raise your hands. Okay. Thank you, Shivam, for telling this. I have put it name. Now next I want to put address. Now address can be a text, address can be anything. So let it be text only. And here I'll change it. It is also okay. And in description, whatever you want to write, that how many words can come, you can write it in the description. I hope it is clear to you all and you all have entered the data also. Let's click on the table. See, now I have put three options: ID, name and address. See, these three options are coming here. Now I can fill, like I am able to see Bhavya, Rastogi. Sorry, I have written it in the ID. I'll write 1 and here I'll write Bhavya Rastogi. Okay. I don't know the address, so I'll write 22, XYZ. Okay. Similarly, I can write 2. Here I'll write Janvi Rana, and again ABC. You all are able to see what I am writing? This is how you enter the table in the data. Okay, and see, this is the first record which I have made earlier. This is to move on. So you have all the options. Okay, now if you want to add a new record, what to do with a new record? You have to just go on this option, click on new, and see, again you can create a new database and you can come back to new. See, again create, this is a new. Okay, and I have created it. So I think everybody is clear. You all will try it at home, creating and entering the data in the record, like we'll move it. Now what we have done at fields view. Okay, again I'm showing you again primary key. I am setting up at the ID. Here I'll write the class. Here I'll write the section. This is my next table. To view it, I'll just go on design view, click on this table, and see my table is here. Again, my table is here, and I can put the data. Now you all can enter it. Now we will come back to our slide. We have already studied primary key and setting up a primary key. Now I have shown you how to enter a data in a table. We have done this also, how to enter a data in a table. Now adding and saving a record. When you are actually making a table, there was an option in which I was clicking create, and before that there was an option to give a file name. So you are saving it in the starting only. So you need not to save it again and again. And after writing, you have to just press Control plus S, Control and S together, so that the work you are doing is saved. Okay. Now editing can be done. Editing is very simple. You all have to open the record and just take your mouse cursor wherever. See, editing is easy here also. I have to enter, I have to take my mouse cursor here. I have to make this I capital, and I'll do that. And when I'll click Control S, it is a saving option will come, and it is save. It is same in each and everything. So you need not to do anything different. Okay. Now we were coming to sorting data with a table. This option you have seen in your mobile phones also. Sorting means arranging the things in any order which you want to arrange. For example, I want to arrange all your names according to alphabet. Okay, I have to arrange all your names according to alphabet, A, B, C, D, E. So your name would be arranged in that way. Similarly, you do in your contacts also. You all have your mobile phones. Whenever you open your contacts, they are arranged in an alphabetical order. Okay. So this is the way sorting means.